Big tech is cutting over 100,000 jobs this year, but not just to save money. They're funneling billions into AI. What's really happening and how will it affect you? In the first quarter of 2026, major tech companies including Meta, Amazon, Oracle, and Snap laid off over 100,000 employees. This isn't a typical cost-cutting move. Instead, these layoffs are strategic, freeing up $80 to $135 billion to pour into AI infrastructure. Meta alone is cutting 8,000 jobs, which is about 10% of its workforce, and freezing 6,000 open roles. This money funds a massive AI expansion aimed at transforming how these companies operate and compete. Meta is leading this AI pivot with a $135 billion investment in AI infrastructure. To fund this, it is cutting 8,000 jobs and freezing an additional 6,000 open positions. An alarming detail: Meta requires remaining employees to provide keystroke and mouse movement data to help train AI models that are effectively replacing many of those laid off. This signals a fundamental shift in how Meta uses human labor to accelerate AI development. Microsoft, another AI leader, announced employee buyouts for the first time ever in its 51-year history. This move accompanies the broader tech trend of reducing workforce size to reallocate resources toward AI. Microsoft's buyouts show how even long-established companies are reshaping their workforce to embrace AI-driven efficiencies and cost controls. While workers face job losses and increased monitoring, investors are optimistic. Tech stocks rally as the industry channels billions into AI. This paradox highlights a growing divide. Companies invest heavily in AI to boost future growth, but current employees bear the brunt of restructuring and surveillance, like Meta's keystroke tracking. For workers and consumers, these changes mean the tech landscape is rapidly evolving. Jobs are being automated, and companies prioritize AI development aggressively. Staying informed about these shifts can help you anticipate changes in your career or how you interact with technology. Understanding this AI pivot is crucial as it impacts job security and how tech products evolve. Big tech layoffs aren't just about cutting costs. They're about fueling a massive AI revolution that will change jobs, technology, and your daily life. Stay ahead by subscribing for updates on how AI's rise affects you directly.